Hi, my name is Gemma and I am Miss Wellis of Scotland. Today I'm in my local area of Ayrshire, and where we're at right now is Gateshead. I'm at a house that's used as a rental and they've decided to invest in the Venus spa, and the reason for that is it's got the 5 seats and it's got the lounger. It's got the MyHip and it's also got the therapy that's targeting all the pressure points for the therapy itself. It's also got Chromotherapy Lighting and the MyMusic 2.0, which means that any of the guests can play their choice of music through their Bluetooth on their phone. This is Craig, he's the owner of the spa and he's going to tell us about his experiences.
We bought this spa about 3 months ago. It's been absolutely fantastic since we got it. After a long day at work, it's brilliant to come home and go into the spa. You can sit out here till all sorts of time at night with the lights, the Bluetooth and audio is fantastic. Any guests have had reviews from it, it's been superb, they've always enjoyed it, and the temperature of the water is always perfect and bang on. The lounger's really relaxing and the jets are perfect where they hit in your body. My favourite feature is the built-in Bluetooth. It saves any hassle of bringing out your own personal speaker. It's all built in, so there's no cables, no anything like that. It's loud enough and it's not overly loud that you can't hear when you're speaking to your friend in the hot tub. Main feature of the holiday light is probably the hot tub itself. The range of guests I've had, all ages, all absolutely love it. Probably the best time I've had is a Saturday evening. Me, my girlfriend, my brother and his girlfriend were in here, had a few drinks. It was relaxing, the lights were perfect, it was dark at night, it was a nice calm night, no wind or anything like that, it was brilliant. I'd definitely recommend anyone thinking about buying a hot tub to go through Wellis. The Venus spa has been absolutely excellent so far.